Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation. We are from Group 3 and today we will talk about deforestation, a global crisis. The death of the forest is the end of our life. And here is the table of the contents. We have 4 parts. First, this is the introduction. Then we have the effects. Next one is the solutions, and finally is the conclusion. And before starting the presentation, we have this slogan: when we destroy the forest, we destroy the very foundation of our life. And now we go to part 1, introduction. So, what the deforestation means? Deforestation means cutting down lots of trees in the forest. People do this for things like wood, farmland, or houses. Deforestation causes many problems for the environment, like losing plants and animals, changing the climate, and making life difficult for people. And moreover, Vietnam has experienced a dramatic decline in its natural forest ecosystem, with forest cover now estimated at less than 40% nationwide, and primary forests reduced to mere 10% of the total. This deforestation has direct consequences, impacting not only global ecosystem but also triggering a cascade of natural disasters. The resulting floods, landslides, and climate change effects, including global warming and rising sea levels, represents a stark reminder of nature's response to human destruction. Deforestation in Vietnam has been happening for a long time, and the level of this situation is increasing in today life. And why? Okay, now we move to part 2, effects. What are the effects of deforestation? The primary reason forests are cleared is to make waste for agriculture, industrial plantation, aquaculture, and construction. Flat, fertile land is easily converted for long-term agricultural use. However, land converted for farming often produce poor harvests, degrade rapidly, and require substantial investment in irrigation and soil management. Vietnam's cultural mangrove forests face intense pressure. Unplanned clearing for shrimp farming is rapidly destroying this vital ecosystem, jeopardizing the broader coastal environment of the southern region. In addition to deforestation, the use of wood as fuel contributes significantly to air pollution. The demand for timber for furniture, paper products, decorative items and construction materials for the fuel exploitation. Ironically, while science and technology have found new use for wood, they have also led increased consumption. What is the solution? With global carbon dioxide emissions on the rise, planting trees is important and necessary. These natural carbon sinks can absorb tons of carbon dioxide daily. 2 hectares of major trees can absorb tons of it and release about 730 kilograms of oxygen. With just 10 square meters offsetting 1% daily output, trees also provide additional benefits by reducing noise and filtering air and oil pollutants. They are truly vital protectors of our well-being and our planet. And moreover, we also have solutions like promoting sustainable land use practice, strengthening forest governance, supporting reforestation and afforestation efforts, encouraging responsible consumer choice, promoting international cooperation. Okay, and that's end the third part of my talk. And finally, we move to the conclusion. In conclusion, deforestation is a major environmental issue that has significant negative impact on the planet and human societies. It leads to the loss of biodiversity, contributes to climate change, increase the risk of soil erosion, disrupt water cycle, and poses a threat to the livelihoods of communities that rely on forests for their well-being. Alright, and that is the end of our presentation. And I would like to end by emphasizing the main point with this slogan: forests are the lungs of our land, purifying the air and giving fresh strength to our people. Okay, and that's all. Thank you for listening, and I hope my presentation is helpful and informative for you. Thank you all.